Good morning. Such a wonderful morning. Very beautiful. Yeah. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? How about stop thinking about all the problems that you have and think about beautiful nature to see how wonderful our master is, our ruler. Stay focused. This is a aloe plant, it's good for cleansing your body inside, very good plant. And also over there you have the mint, which is very good for spiritual, it's tea. You can use it to make tea, and it gives you a very good sensation. And here we have the tree leaf of life. That's a leaf of life plant. Yeah. But anyway, what I was saying is you gotta stay strong. No matter what you're going through, you gotta stay strong in life. You gotta stay focused. You know what I mean? Even when you feel down, lift yourself up. Take yourself away from around. See that energy? You gotta take yourself away from all negative. Stay positive, you know what I mean? You have to love yourself, you know what I mean? When you feel down, take some time out. Go in the nature. Take a walk. Talk to yourself. Speak to you. Ask yourself some questions. Go inside of you. Hold a meditation. Imagine yourself, in your own world. And you are the master in your own world. With your Father, the Creator. You know what I'm saying? And cleanse yourself there. You know what I mean? And you will see difference and you will see miracles work. I'm telling you. Also, I put some stuff on my channel. So you guys can take a look at some other channels that I have out there. It's a wonderful day. Very beautiful day. Relax right now, just taking it easy. I'm off today. Yeah. But I cherish every moment. Cause, man, I've been through it, I've been going through it, you know what I'm saying? And so many things change. Things just shift, just like that. Everything changed. And I'm like, what's going on? I was lost at one point. Like, thinking maybe someone trying to do me some harm or something, and didn't understand the role of the universe, the creator, how things work, and sometimes you have to let go of the old to bring in the new. You know what I mean? Shine your light. Let your light shine bright. You know what I'm saying? So I just want you guys to know that, holding up your head high, man. Don't make no one bring you down, man. Keep yourself away from the negative. Build a foundation and create your own world. Be in this world. This world what we're living in right now is just a matrix. So what I'm saying, your inner self, go inside of you. Go heal the child inside of you. Find that child again once, that fun, that happiness, that joy. You know what I mean? That, you know what I'm saying? So it's a lot of truth is revealing at this moment. A lot of people don't understand what's going on, and also a lot of people still lost. It's like they're trapped in the matrix. They're not awake. You gotta wake, and the media, social media, all of these things, the news. Take yourself away from these things. You know what I'm saying? These things are distracting you. Sorry about that. You know what I mean? And you just gotta stay focused. Keep it real. Keep it moving. Go inside of you. Meditate. Walk in your world. Forget about this world. Forget about driving car. What about in your world? You don't need a car. Take yourself there. Imagine a beautiful, wonderful light shining in front of you. And start to do positive things for your higher self, for your higher good, for the creator, for the universe, for mankind. You can do these things, because we all are one and we are powerful. You just have to realize that we are a spiritual being having fun in a human body, because we all know and we all realize at one point that something is bigger than this. I guarantee you. I know for a fact. Without a doubt. But anyway, man, just stay strong, keep focused. Have a blessed day and peace. I'm out.